And I really just feel like she carries, like, it gives what it's supposed to give. Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. And if you are returning, shout out to you for coming back. Today's video is going to be a summer 2021 beauty haul from Sephora and Ulta. So if you're interested in seeing some of the items that I picked up, some old favorites, but also some newbies, keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to start with Ulta first. I did buy doubles of some items, and some of the items are already in use. So I'm going to start with my favorites first, and first up, it is going to be the Tgin Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this conditioner, leave-in conditioner, is truly a godsend. This is one of my favorite products ever, which is why I actually picked up, I don't consider this back bar size because I think back bar is a little bit bigger, but this is bigger than your regular Tgin leave-in conditioner that you normally would find in Target. Ulta does carry the size. This is a 32 floor ounce size. Now, I go through this leave-in conditioner pretty often. Like I said, it's one of my favorite products, and it's really my go-to for my wash and goes. Like, this is my tried and true, the regimen. It's foolproof at this point. Like, it always works. So now that I found that this comes in this size, I figured why not get one of these versus paying you know, for multiples of the smaller size. So definitely had to re-up on my green tea super moist leave-in. Like, I've already been in it. I don't know if you guys could tell, but this conditioner, it has a great amount of slip. It smells amazing, and it really does keep the hair moist. Alright, so I had to double up on another favorite. It is the Tgin Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And I'm always looking to keep stock of really hydrating and moisturizing hair masks. My hair is color treated, and it is pretty prone to being dry. So I always want to make sure that I have some hydrating masks on deck to really take care of that. Now, this is also one of my favorite masks, slip aspect, but also it's super hydrating. Like, it really hydrates the hair. I figured buying two of these was better than me buying like one of a favorite, which would be, I think, like double the price but this size. So I really made sure that I stuck with an old favorite, and the Honey Miracle Hair Mask is definitely going to deliver much needed hydration. Alright guys, so one of my must-have tools is definitely a Tangle Teezer. Like, I honestly have been living without a Tangle Teezer in here for a month and change. And I was trying to use a wet brush to do my hair, but I was not getting the same detangling effect, and I found like it was taking me a little bit longer. So of course I had to pick up my Tangle Teezers. I picked up two, of course, just so that I have them on hand and they're easier for me to get to. So this Tangle Teezer is specifically for thick and curly hair. It has longer teeth for thicker hair. This has a firm flex technology for thick, wavy, and coarse hair, so that's able to really detangle the hair without like tugging on it, pulling, snapping, and breaking the hair as well. So always keep a Tangle Teezer. My current one is in the shower, and I'm so happy that I re-upped on these. Like I said, like, this is probably one of my favorite tools to have, period, when it comes to managing my hair. Like, the Tangle Teezer always gets the job done. Alright, so another favorite of mine is the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel, also from Tgin. I did pick up two of these, and like I said, this is another favorite product of mine. This is tried and true. My wash and go is foolproof at this point. Like, I know what I'm going to get. I know how my style is going to look. I know the amount of crunch my hair is going to have, the amount of holds, and how many days it's going to look good for, and this gel is really going to do that. So my hair is always moisturized when I'm using this gel. It does usually have a cast, a like crunchy cast on it once my hair is fully dry, but it does not bother me at all. It's very easy to scrunch out of the hair. Sometimes I do it using like a blow dry because I'm going to stretch my hair anyway, but also I find that using like an oil or some kind of cream afterwards helps to break up that cast and just really soften the hair. But like I said, like, because I'm getting that hard crunchy cast on my hair, I know that my wash and go is going to last for about 2, 3, 4 days before I either have to restyle it or wet it down and begin again. But the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel and this, the leave-in conditioner put together, is legit a foolproof wash and go. Like, it is my go-to. I swear by these two products because they legit deliver. Like, like I said, tried and true, and these two products and combined with one another are definitely going to deliver everything that I'm looking for. So this is a newer product that I am going to be trying out. It is the Quenched 3-in-1 Co-Wash Conditioner and Detangler from Tgin. This is formulated with olive oil and vitamin E. Now, I have not tried a co-wash in ages, but I really wanted to try this product because there are a bunch of favorites from Tgin that I am so familiar with and love. And I really wanted to see if this is going to be one of those products. So I'm probably going to try this during this week, maybe closer to the end of the week, just to give my hair like a little bit of a refresh before it's time for me to do it. But like I said, this is a newer product for me that I'm interested in trying. So I really can't wait to see what the results are going to be using this co-wash and detangler from Tgin. Now for body care, I picked up some favorites from Pacifica Beauty. This is the Lavender Moon Body Wash, formulated with lavender rose and chamomile. So I picked up, I believe, 2 of these. This is legit my go-to body wash. It's a vegan, cruelty-free formula. It smells amazing, and I love that. Granted, it smells amazing. It's not overpowering, so I'm able to like layer my lotions or like my perfume on top and not have to worry about the fragrances clashing. It's a very soft, subtle fragrance, but I really love how this makes my skin feel. I think I did the switch last year, mid-pandemic, because I noticed like my chest and my arms in particular, I'm prone to like breakouts on my arms and stuff like that, back, knee, things like that. And I think most of it comes from when I style my hair. But really switching over to this formula and changing like my body skincare routine has definitely helped me in more ways than one. Like I said, this is the Lavender Moon fragrance. This is my go-to fragrance. I have tried the coconut cream before and it smells good, but it's not, I don't know, like it doesn't move me the way that Lavender Moon does. So I definitely picked up 2 of the body washes and also the body scrub. This is also the Lavender Moon fragrance from Pacifica Beauty as well. And this body scrub, it's really gentle on the skin. So I love applying a little bit of this on like some exfoliating gloves and a pump or 2 of the body wash and just going to work on my arms, my legs and stuff. And it's really going to soften up my skin. I feel like you can even tell a difference. Like I said, applying a little bit of this on like some exfoliating gloves and then going to work on the body. Baby, it's going to be giving soft. It's going to be giving supple. It just feels nice. Like, and it's not formulated with like really large grains, but it definitely gets the job done. And I just love how this feels on the skin. But also, like I said, I really love the fragrance as well. Alright, next up guys, we're going to move into the Sephora haul portion of this video. So I definitely did pick up a few things, including some favorites. First up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Drink Body Cream. This is a smoothing and moisturizing body cream that's formulated with watermelon seed butter, hibiscus AHAs, and hyaluronic acid. I received this, I believe, earlier this year, I think, in a PR package. And when I tell you I have been loving this body cream, partly, mainly because of the hyaluronic acid and the moisturizing aspect of this body cream. Like, it has a very light watermelon fragrance, and I think it's really good for summer now, especially like being outdoors and things like that. So I'll apply this to like my legs, my body, my arms and stuff like that. And I always make sure to apply SPF on top, but this of course is really great at night. But yeah, like I really wanted to make sure that I had another one of these on hand because I loved it that much. Like, it's really my go-to moisturizer at the moment. Like, everything else that I was using is probably too heavy for this time of the year, but really just using this and just focusing on like the moisturizing, the hyaluronic acid, and like the watermelon seed butter and the AHAs to really just help with skin cell turnover, but also moisturizing the skin. Needed to definitely get my hands on another one of these. I have a lot in these 2 little bags here, but I had to re-up on my Hydra Visor from Fenty Beauty. This is my go-to moisturizer and SPF. I really love it. I love how it smells, but I also love how my skin looks when I apply this. My skin is super glowy. You can see like the shine on my skin and things like that. And I feel like it gets the job done for me and it works really well. So I wanted to make sure, of course, that I had another one on hand, just because, like I said, this is my go-to moisturizer and SPF at the moment, and there's nothing worse than running out of a moisturizer slash SPF anytime. There's nothing worse than that, especially with this time of the year. So I wanted to make sure that I had one to put away, so your girl will be ready to go. So another favorite is the Fenty Beauty Instant Touch Concealer. This is the shade 300. This is actually my go-to highlighting shade. Like, I really love this concealer. I feel like it has great coverage. I love the way it feels. My eyes don't feel dry using it, and I feel like it sets really well. Also, like I said, I'm using the shade 300 because I wanted a little bit of a brighter highlight, and I really feel like this shade is going to give me that without giving me like the super stark contrast of highlighting. And I really just feel like she carries, like, it gives what it's supposed to give. Like, and I also wanted to try some new items as well. So let me just grab all of these. I know you guys can hear like this little bag rattling in the back. But first up is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Party All Night, Stay All Day. One of my friends actually recommended this to me, and I really want to try it out. Mainly because I'm always looking for long wear makeup, especially now with the hotter weather. I feel like now is the time where you have to be really careful between like the hotter weather, being in and out, you know, inside, outside, indoors, outdoors, things like that. But also with the mask wearing long wear makeup is definitely going to help with the staying power underneath those masks. So she told me that this setting spray was really good. It's supposed to prime and set makeup for up to 16 hours. Instantly lock in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. No melting, no fading, no creasing. So once I heard those things, I was like, I definitely need to get my hands on this and try this out. So next up, it is the Fenty Skin Butter Drop. It's a whipped oil body cream. So I really love body creams, especially at night, for like my legs and stuff like that. And this one is a whipped oil body cream, so I'm hoping that it's going to give my legs a little bit of sheen, especially, like I said, when I'm going out at night. So this is going to deeply hydrate the skin for an intense, healthy looking sheen, enriched with conditioning oils and butters. So I'm really excited to try this out, but I've also heard a couple of girls talk about it and they really enjoy it as well. So I feel like that really gave me the green light and the okay to try it out for myself. But like I said, I love a good body cream, and especially one that has like some oil in it that's going to give my legs some sheen at night. I'm all for it. Lastly, we have the Invisimatte blotting powder from Fenty Beauty. And I also made sure to grab the portable touch-up brush as well. So I noticed that like I'm spending a lot more time outside, and I have like, you know, errands that I'm running around, but also I'm hanging out with friends and stuff like that. And I don't always have the time to like really adjust my makeup or fix my makeup if I've been out for hours. But I felt like I needed to really carry something around in my bag so that I'm able to do touch-ups on the go. And I've heard really good things about the Invisimatte from Fenty, so I wanted to try it out for myself. And like I said, I really grabbed the portable brush so that I have, you know, I don't have to worry about sticking like a really big brush in my bag. This is going to get the job done. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's a great way to instant refresh, on-the-go filter effect, just so that I have something to do touch-ups with. I noticed like, especially now with the mask and things like that, and also the weather, the humidity, I get really shiny around like my T-zone, my nose area, my forehead, chin. And I really just need something that's going to help me dull that shine. So that, you know, my makeup still looks fresh, it still looks fun, it doesn't look cakey, and I feel like this is going to be my solution, or at least I'm hoping so. It's going to be my solution. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this haul video. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions about any of the items that I listed in the video. If you've tried anything, if you want to try something, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.